Let's start the match in 3, 2, 1, go!
Another match rolling here on the Croft division in South Bend, Indiana. All four robots now flying around the field. One from far, one from close for each alliance. 24-3-24, the team from Thailand lining up their shots. 3 go in, now they intake more. From the backfield, they're supported by VC Silver Circuits out of Virginia City Highlands, Nevada. The Red Alliance far shooter going in, that's 21-4-57. Tennessee Titans from Maryville, Tennessee. They've now lined up some final shots as autonomous expires.
Pick up your controllers. Three, 2, 1.
83-43 is the Blue Alliance lead, having scored 23 artifacts to the Red Alliance's 11. Now looking to cement that lead with some quick early shots and more. Coming off 24-3-24, Strive. Strive with more on board. Back to the close launch zone. Ready to go. Their alliance partner, actually their opponents intaking also from the offshoots of the gate that we have seen pop up here. That's 21-4-57 Tennessee Titans out of Maryville, Tennessee. Now intaking from their loading zone. Loading up some artifacts. They've got them on board, making their way back to the far launch zone, ready to shoot from deep. Those high arc shots coming right on in, adding some points for the Red Alliance. Now from close for the Red Alliance, that's Mantabots coming in. They're from New York, now opening up the gate, clearing out space for more shots on the red. As a reminder, teams need to keep that ramp clear if they want things to score to the max of their ability. If artifacts roll off the top, they are only worth 1 point, as opposed to 3 if they stay down in that classifier. 53 seconds to go. 209-103 is that Blue Alliance lead, helping them through in this match. Seems like both alliances taking similar approach to traffic control, which is leading to some conflicts in both zones. On the far launch zone, you have 16-1-58 VC Silver Circuits for Blue, lining up their shots, as is 21-4-57 Tennessee Titans for Red. Both shooting from far, staying out of the way of their alliance's close-in shooters. Strive on the Blue Alliance, cycling it back and forth from the gate to the goal, continually scoring for the Blue Alliance. As we had 20 seconds left to go, Blue Alliance has locked up that goal ranking point, having scored 87, exceeding the 67 artifacts required to lock that down. A nice boost in their scoring as we move into the final 5 seconds of the game. Strive lines up for what looks like could be a full park. If the Blue Alliance got the full partial there, they should get a ranking point.
Now on the screen, let's see the winner. That is Blue! 324 points for Blue Alliance on 74th match. Let's get in for match number 76.